嗨，大家好，欢迎来到美丽汉语。Welcome to Beautiful Mandarin。我叫 Cici， 是你的汉语老师。My name is Cici. I'm your Chinese teacher. And today's topic is about character 不 and how to pronounce this character. I don't know if you have noticed, sometimes we read 不 differently, which means 不 could be with different tone in different situation. This could be confused. And how do we pronounce it correctly? Today, we're going to talk about how to change the tone when we read this character 不. But before we get started, I want to introduce our unlimited group class package. If you want to be fluent, you need to join this package. Because if you want to do many hours a week, this one could save you lots of money. You don't have to calculate how much classes you attend. You are only paying for one group class. But when the other group classes have seats available, they allow you to come to those classes as many as you want. But you are only paying for one group class each week. If you want to know more information about this amazing unlimited group class package, please send me email by syan@beautifulmandarin.com. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, now let's get started. First, let's see this character, 不. And it does have two pronunciations. Sometimes we read it as 不, and sometimes we read it as 不. But when should we do 不 and when should we do 不? In this lesson, we will make it clear. Let's see those examples. First one, 不说, don't speak. 不忙, not busy. 不好, not good. 不是 is not. 不叫, my name is not called, something like this. Or the name is not. So that's the meaning of 不叫. But you see, those three examples, we read this character as the false tone, 不. And for those two examples, we read them as the second tone, 不. From this, you can tell, here is the rule. Like when 不 plus the first tone, second tone, and the third tone, we read 不 as the false tone. But when 不 plus the false tone, we're gonna read it as the second tone, like 不. Now let's practice those again. 不说, 说 is first tone, so 不 is false tone here. 不忙, 忙 is second tone, so we read this character as the false tone. 不忙. 不好, 好 is third tone, still 不 is false tone. 不好. 是 is the false tone, so we read the 不 as second tone. So which is 不是, not 不是, okay? 不是. And the 叫 is a false tone also, so we read it as second tone. 不叫, not 不叫. Remember, actually, there's a simple way to remember this rule. You'll just remember 不 as the pronunciation as the false tone. But when the false tone 不 plus a false tone, we're going to change the false tone 不 to be a second tone 不. And with this way, you'll only need to remember 不 plus the false tone. We change this character to the second tone. The other situation, this one is just a false tone. Good? Okay, now let's read them again. 不说, 不忙, 不好, 不是, 不叫. Okay, if you have any other question, you can leave your comments below. If you want to watch more videos about our classes, or you want to study Beautiful Mandarin textbook step by step, you can go to our interactive ebook. Let's take a look. You just need to go to beautifulmandarin.com and you come to the interactive ebook. With our interactive ebook, you could click anywhere you want to hear.
第5课，日期2。
You can listen to text. You can also hear the audio for the new words.
年
And click the video to watch the grammar tips. It's like you have your private tutor. You know what? Another amazing thing, after you study all of those, you can take an exercise to test yourself. There's listening exercise. There's also reading exercise. You just need to type your answer here. So typing is a very important skill right now. You can use typing to chat with your Chinese friend on the social platform, right? And also you can read information from internet. So typing is a very important skill. After all of those, you can just submit your answer. You will get a feedback. Okay? And you know what? Right now, we are doing a pre-sale for our first level interactive ebook. The original price is $269 for 15 lessons, including 30 dialogues and lots of videos, like more than 60 videos. After every dialogue, you will have an exercise, including around 8 questions. So there are lots of content there. It's only for $269, but if you can purchase right now, because we are doing pre-sale, and the price is only $135, and you can use it for lifetime. This is one-time payment. So you don't want to miss this. Come to our website, beautifulmandarin.com, and find the interactive ebook. Pay right now so you can start it immediately. You can also register our $99 group class. This one, you will have a live class, so you can ask the question to your teachers and you have classmates study with you together. Using this interactive ebook, it's a perfect match. You will improve yourself efficiently. Okay? 好, so this is today's video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel. Give me a like and turn on the bell so you won't miss any other new videos. See you guys next time. 下次见哦，再见。